We have a 33 hours of long journey, and I'm prepared, and we take the AC compartment so that we are not going to get too much tired, and we will get time to sleep as well. So anyway guys, it's going to be a good journey from Kannur to Delhi. Last time we went on India trip with the local train, in the same train but in the local general compartments, but this time we are going on an AC. What difference? It doesn't make any much difference anyway. We are going to be like more comfortable, that's it. So we are inside the station, and we have all the numbers over here. You can see train numbers, bogie numbers, etc. So I'm up about 17:45. Guys, it's going to be night, and we are not going to have a lot of vlogging here in this evening. A seat, bed, and a pillow, and a blanket, and a beautiful window. Mumbai. So this area is called Panvel. I think we're gonna go from here a split way towards Surat. Is another a big city. I think she can't see us. The people just coming out to get these things. Maybe this is some type of snacks, which is, yeah, I think so. Oh, he got emptied. Hope you're having a great time. So Delhi looks like this. I'm just passing through an underpassage. Students going to college, people going to work. Thousands of pigeons. Hey, someone is feeding them as well. Oh, the people just treat them like, because they are the natural cleaners of the streets. Well, this is the bus we were coming through. Now we're in a metro in Karolbagh. Oh, look at that. That's a nice crispy items. Okay, we go further and see. Why is it so much crowded and noisy? Hey, man. Is it the biggest country? Street have people. Absolutely nice place to give such heated pastas. Wow, super amazing pasta. Let me have some or no? Feeling like a little bit. That is a very big crowd. Yeah, everything is here. Like in between, there's a snack shops on the sides, and then clothes and shoes and etc. These kind of big streets you will find everywhere in Delhi. Everywhere. Only thing is just not get stuck in this big crowd, you know. Hey, why don't they just go to jobs? Why are all of them in the streets here buying items? Last time we were seeing like different items, but this is seemingly a little bit different. Anyway, looking very beautiful. So this is how it goes. Everything is available here. The first thing is like everything is cheaper. Affordable price, can be brought wholesale and retail and buy yourself and sell it anywhere, you know. We're out of that crowd and just a half kilometer away we found the big car market here. Oh, this market is just very close to the Gafar market, and this is the Gafar market, car market I think. Here you can see like people just simply bring all the cars here. They just have all the accessories and repairments and fixations here. That's absolutely brilliant in this place, because one thing is that there is a lot of space to park the cars, and also there is like new items from any companies like Sony, Pioneer and everything, etc. If you come around here looking for some good car accessories and models, new trends, you can come to this street. It's a national holiday here. Look at that, guys. These metros are so filled. A river. I think it's a part of a reservoir or something. You see them when they are empty? So different, you know.